talk about the one revolutionary UI UX design hack that I just discovered, and it's completely changing the way I think about UI UX design, so do not miss it. This is called the 5-second rule, and it states that within just 5 seconds of entering your site, a user should be able to figure out what your site is, what your product or service does, and what next actionable step they need to take, whether it is call someone, whether it is leave a message, whether it is buy now, whatever it is that they need to do, and what your product does. They should be able to figure all of this out within just 5 seconds of entering your site, which means that the next time you design an actual product or service, landing page, app, whatever it is, show it to a friend, show it to someone who has never ever seen your site, and just show it to them for 5 seconds. Stop the timer after 5 seconds, get rid of that site from their face, and now ask them what they remember about your product or service, what they remember about the site. If this was the understanding your user had of your product, would you be happy? Just ask yourself that. And if you are happy, that means you've done a really good job with the UI UX. But if you're not happy, that's a really clear sign to go back, simplify your overall UI design. And this is such an effective hack. I find that this is changing the way I think about UI UX design. Drop a like and share your UI UX design stories in the chat. Let's have a discussion. All right, love you, bye.